Locking straps latch are easy to install and remove. No hardware or tool is needed. The locking strap latch LLC has designed one out-of-the-box latch that fits for different purposes. It has 4 flaps. Depending on the position that it will be finally placed, you just need to cut 1 or 2 of the front or back flaps and the length as is needed before you install it. The strap is made of self-adhesive Velcro that has a high tag with surfaces like wood, stainless steel, glass, and plastic. A buckle is in the middle of it. The black buckle has a red button that shifts the position to open and close to challenge the opening. If the position is enclosed, the buckle cannot be squeezed. If the position isn't open, the buckle can be squeezed. This design gives options to be placed on Lazy Susans, cabinet drawers and doors, doors with handles, double or single door refrigerators of different brands and designs. This is our second generation of locking strap latch. My name is Yanira Chisel, creator of the locking strap latch.